If you are someone who burps constantly, like my friend here, it could be a sign that you have low acid production inside your stomach. And when you have low acid production in there, sometimes that lower esophageal sphincter doesn't close and the acid comes up, or sometimes the food just kind of sits in your stomach and ferments and doesn't really break down properly. In a case like this, I would use the herbs inside a digest purge, which contains a couple of different things that improve digestion, some HCl, some enzymes, some pepsin, and something called gentian root, which will stimulate your body's natural production of stomach acid. And that should get rid of your burping. Hopefully that helps.